In this section, we'll be building out a Twitter automation using the no-code automation tool, Zapier. We'll be using the data we collected with Coin API in the previous project. For our project in this section, we'll be using Zapier to automatically post the price of Bitcoin on Twitter every time our Google Sheet is updated. Functionality-wise, we'll be using Zapier to communicate with our Google Sheet. As soon as our Google Sheet gets updated, Zapier will post the price of Bitcoin on Twitter for us. If you're unfamiliar with automations, let me demystify them a little bit for you. Automations are a sequence of events that help us to complete a task efficiently. You can think of automations in the context of a production line, where you can have one or more multiple workstations along the conveyor belt to complete a task. In the online world, we can use automations to gather data, post to social media, and more. It's possible to automate an entire business without coding, thanks to tools like Zapier, leaving us as humans to focus our precious attention on work that moves the needle. In previous times, you had to understand how to write code to create an automation. For example, here is some code written in a programming language for an automation. We're going to be able to achieve the same results within a fraction of the time with no code. As we work through setting up our automation in this section, it'll become a lot more clear. By the end of this section, you'll have a good overview of how to build automations, holding you in good stead as you begin to build your own automations. In the next lecture, I will show you the resources needed for this project. See you there.